So you guys, this is actually kind of funny, but I have decided to liquidate some of my keyboards, and I put them on Etsy on like Monday, and on the very next day, my first one sold, and it is this Ubutai round key keyboard, and I'm experiencing like a little bit of sadness that I sold it. I just removed every single key, cleaned it, sanitized it. It's got this beautiful artisan keycap, and this is one of the first really cute keyboards I ever bought. So I'm experiencing a very strange sort of like sadness that I'm having to let it go. And it also comes with this really cute wireless mouse, which I also cleaned meticulously. I have all the cleaner tools and sanitized it. And yeah, I'm just like kind of really sad that this is my first sale. And I wanted to show my process too, just so if you do purchase from me, because I will also be putting custom keyboards on there. You know, I have a lot of keyboards. But I go meticulously through every single key, remove it, clean it, just make sure it's in real working order, perfect working order. And so here's my first one. Look how freaking cute she is. I'm so sad. Even though I have not used this in probably like a year, I'm still really sad. So anyway, to my first buyer, I hope you enjoy her. Thank you so much. She is in perfect working order, and I'm about to pack her, so pack the order with me. Here's what she sounds like. Bye, babe. I'm gonna miss you. I'm feeling so sad. Let me get the tape. Because I sold it so fast, I literally was just like not prepared at all. I had to get these 18 by 8 by 4 boxes. I had to get a business account to start shipping. Like, I guess if you're gonna do something, you need to be prepared for success, because just like we always think, oh, this might fail. Well, what if it doesn't? Because I was not ready. I had to get stickers and boxes and like bubble tape and all the things. Also, I got these adorable stickers. Aren't they so cute? So yeah, now I am trying to get to UPS by 6:30. It is currently 5:52. So let's see if I can make it. So I got bubble wrap, so I want to make sure it's really well wrapped. I also got thank you cards, because I just think it's nice. And I'm also going to give her this cute green pen that kind of goes with it. Isn't that so cute, you guys? I love this for me. And I love it for her, too. She's just getting like a really... I was going to do this one, but I think this green sparkly one is so cute. So I'm going to put that in the box because I think it's adorable. So let's get going. A lot of people are like, well, don't you have a keyboard box? You've got 60 keyboards. I do, but I don't have one for this keyboard. And it's going to sound stupid, but I don't want to use one of my like other keyboard boxes because I still have the keyboard, so I want the box. You know what I mean? And if I end up selling that other set keyboard, I'm gonna need that box later. So I just didn't want to use a box for a different, ow, shit. I didn't want to use a box for a different keyboard. I thought it was kind of ghetto to do that anyway. So I have 18 by 8 by 4 boxes, and this keyboard is like 17 and a half. So it's really, really gonna be a tight squeeze. That's why I'm going through so much trouble to make sure it's really, really well wrapped for her. So here is the box. Okay, for you, it fits. The mouse also fits. Let me show you. Yay! And then I'm gonna put the pen in there, and then I'm gonna put the thank you card in there, and I'm gonna like put my sticker right here, and then we're gonna head to UPS. Yay!